With me here I have the EV charger, and I'm going to take you through all the contents of the package. And first of all, you get an installation guide, and then right here we have a charging station. It has a polythene that covers the top part just to avoid scratching and damaging and all that. Right here, this is the power cable. This power cable can be plugged into the regular sockets at home. The next thing is the charging cord. This one is a bit heavy. It's a bit longer and heavy, so I won't get it out of the box. I'll show you right here. This is the charging cord, and the charging cord has a connector gun. This is what is plugged into your electric vehicle, and you're able to charge it. And additionally, it comes with a mounting bracket. So the mounting bracket for the charging station is at the back. It is. I hope I'm able to tilt it enough. It's at the back. So this is what you unscrew, mount it on the wall, and then screw back the charging station in it. Then you also get this. This one is a gun handle. This is mounted on the wall, and this is where you place what holds this gun, the one that goes to your electric vehicle when you're done charging. And then apart from that, you also get the screws and everything. So, and there's also an Allen key for you to open the bracket that is already screwed in. Yeah, so all you need to get the screwdrivers, a drill and everything, and the rest is provided here for you. The EV charger is said to charge at 40 amperes when it comes from the factory, but the charge rate can be raised or lowered to match your breaker size. The EV charger connects to a Wi-Fi connection, and this allows you to operate it from your phone. You're able to view data in real time. You're able to see how your vehicle is charging, how much energy your vehicle is taking in. You're able to regulate when to charge, when not to charge, and things like that. And also, this packaging is watertight and can withstand all outdoor elements. That's all for today's video. The next video we are going to do an installation. We're going to show you how to install, how to integrate it with Wi-Fi, and also just to show you the process of it charging an electric vehicle. Thank you so much for getting to the end of this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like the video, and if you have any questions or any comments, just put them on the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below so that when we upload the installation video, you get a notification and you don't miss out on viewing the video. That's all for today, and goodbye.